Let me show you how you can create and remove a home screen folder on Xiaomi 15 Ultra. So if you want to create a folder, what you can do is press and hold your finger on the first app that you wish to store in a folder, and then we can drag it on top of another app. We need to be rather quick with it, because otherwise the app will try to escape to make the room. And there we go, we have our folder. Of course we can tap on it in order to customize it. We can, I believe, tap on the text. No, not really. Okay, so we can press and hold our finger in order to edit the folder over here. We can set the name, we can make it bigger or smaller. We can also enable recommendations. So tap on this, check in the top right corner, and there we go. In order to remove the folder, we can press and hold and start dragging the folder, and we can move it to the minus sign over here at the top. Or we can press and hold and take out every app from the folder. This works as well. And there we go. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!